practicing really hard, so I'm going to read this book. Today was my share day, and I brought my book to school, and I shared it, and everyone was so surprised that I could read my own language. They're like, wow. So I'm going to read the book to you. Imuli yami, my family.
My family.
Imuli yawo moyo, the Moyo family. The Moyo family. Leyi muli yawo moyo. This is the Moyo family. Indlu yawo moyo, the Moyo home. Nansi indlu yetu. Yetu. This is our house.
It's Daddy.
Sihlala
Mommy. It's Daddy.
Sihlala Bulawayo. We live in Bulawayo. Indlu yetu isedolobheni. Our house is in the city. Imuli yawo moyo ihlala lapha. The Moyo family lives here. Continue reading. Uthandi lovusa. Uthandi lovusa. Thandi and Vusa. Sabona. Hello. Ibizo lami nguThandi. My name is Thandi. Isibongo sami ngesago moyo. Ngesago moyo. My surname is Moyo. So, and this is for Vusa. Sabona. Hello. Ibizo lami Vusa. My name is Vusa. Isibongo sami ngesago moyo. My surname is Moyo. If it was for me and Langa would say Sabona. Ibizo lami ngulanga. Isibongo sami ngesago Nkala-Sarr. Ngesago-Sarr. But if it was for me, I would say Sabona. Hello. Ibizo lami nguThando. Isibongo sami ngesago Nkala-Sarr.
Very good.
My surname is Nkala-Sarr.